Biocon posted third quarter numbers beating the street. The net profit are up about 9%. Joining me now, Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, Chairman and MD of Biocon. She joins us from Bangalore. Kiran, many thanks for joining in. My first question to you, you've had a 23% growth in your top line, led largely from all the three verticals of your business, biopharma, formulations and research services. Do you expect the biopharma vertical to lead the growth from here on?
Absolutely. I think biopharma and our research services business will continue this growth momentum. We will end this fiscal on a very sound note. And I am very confident that, now that we've shaped our business into these very focused growth verticals, it's beginning to really make sense and pay rich dividends to us. I think what is also very important for me to emphasize is the fact that our research-driven business model is also beginning to pay off. We've just seen the approval of our second novel biologic drug, itolizumab, which we hope to launch in the Indian market later this year. And, we are very confident that we will recover the R&D investments made to develop this product in India in the next 4 years. Apart from that, it also now puts us in a very strong position to develop it globally in a much more assured and successful way. So I think we are beginning to see that our research model is really beginning to work, and we are very excited with the prospects of making a very differentiated play both in India and in global markets.
Sure. How big is the domestic formulations opportunity, Ms. Shaw? I mean, and are you well equipped to exploit this opportunity? Do you see greater revenue drivers from this business?
I have already indicated to the market that we expect this business to be a minimum 1,000 crore opportunity by FY13. And we expect our current size, which was, at about 250 crores last year, to now double in size by fiscal year FY15. So I think we are very poised to take this to this level by FY18. We are very focused on making this into a very large and important business vertical for us. We are very excited with all the things that we have done to be very differentiated in the marketplace. As you know, we have chosen therapeutic segments where we have inherent strength. Diabetes, cardiovascular, oncology, nephrology. This is all based on the fact that we have insulins, we have statins, we have immunosuppressants, and now we are starting an immunotherapy division which will focus on our psoriasis drug. So, we are very differentiated as a company. We expect this to be a good, robust business for us. We expect our this whole branded formulations business by FY15 to contribute 20% of our $700 million total pie that we are projecting.
Sure.
So I think we are very, very confident, focused, and really excited about the prospects.
One final question, ma'am, and this is, you've always maintained that you envisage greater investment into R&D and you've consistently increased your spends. Do you see your profitability coming under pressure? Do you hope to improve on your profitability performance?
I want to answer this question in two parts. First and foremost, we believe that R&D is an investment. Although it's shown as an expenditure, it is an investment for the future. If you do not invest in R&D, we are not going to see growth and exponential sustainable growth. And I think Biocon is one of those few companies that is proving that model. Secondly, we feel that we would like to emphasize here that our R&D investments are being sustained. We are generating profits, factoring in this increased R&D spends. For instance, this year, you have seen R&D spends jump to 121 crores, which is a 44% increase over last year. But having said that, I think increased R&D spend is also a demonstration of your advancing programs in the clinic. And as you well know, the R&D spends are only going to increase as you advance in the clinic. And these are all global trials. So as you advance in the global clinic, you're going to see much higher spends. But that also means that you're closer to approval.
All right, ma'am, we'll leave it there. Many thanks for joining us with your perspective. That was Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw with the earnings of Biocon for this quarter. Up next, we put the spotlight